I lost control of the drone. How much was it?
I'm telling you.
No one's gonna go and hold down this place.
What's going on, everybody? Matt here with my boy Joshy. Today we're doing a bit of a day in the life video. First up, we're going to go see our boy Mitty. Haven't caught up with him in a while, see what he's doing. Hopefully we can drag him along today for our antics. And then after that, what are we going to do, Josh?
We're going to go and check out some shops, talk to the owners, see how they created their businesses. And
we are going to daily vlog today, so that's our plan. So hopefully having the camera rolling all day, hopefully you guys will be able to see what else we get up to, see if anything else happens through our day. All right, let's get it started.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
Okay, so we try to stop off at Kangaroo Point. We try to fly the drone across the Brisbane River. Thought it'd be cool to get a B-roll shot panning across the city. Dude from the city council saw us and he said it was cool. We fly there.
Fuck yeah, can't.
Yeah, I had a chat to him. He was real cool about it. So got in the air, and then as soon as I got in the air, the wind just decided to pick up. Evidently, I lost control of the drone and flew it straight into someone's car while they were sitting in it. But thank God he was cool with it. He laughing and said, "No, you're all good, don't worry about it." But after I thought, "No, we'll pack up and we'll keep going." Just before I fly the drone into someone else while they're driving, cause an accident. So we're gonna get out of here before we get in any more trouble.
But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only you. We're only you. Yeah.
Being free.
We're only you. Yeah. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only you. We're only you.
you know this one?
Have I heard money trees? Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, you bitch. Yeah.
Revenue.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, this guy. Brother.
Oh, hey dude, what you doing?
I am just driving out to Vicky Point, my man.
Up to it, all good.
Bro, we're just filming a car karaoke segment, so, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
This phone calls are recording.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you want to
we're sitting
you
there
say hello?
We're rapping along to Kendrick, and then you had to just butt in. We'll leave a link in we'll leave a link in Nate's social media in the description, so you can all go flaming.
Oh, did I say the wrong thing? Oh, whoops, my bad. Bye.
Oh, heavy. All right. Back to the rapping. Back to the rapping. Bro, do you know my mum knows every word to this song?
I know every word to this song.
Yeah, but my mum, bro.
That's pretty. Is she hot?
No.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting.
Alright, so what kind of music are you into?
Dude, I'm into all kinds of music.
But what's like your, like I'm the same as you. I'm in like, I like all sorts of music, but what's like your genre?
My genre? I don't know, but I don't have a particular genre though.
Yeah.
You know, like, I don't have one that I favor over others. Yeah, I do like hardcore, rock music, that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
But I mean, I like everything, dude. Like, I like pop music, I like hip hop.
Yeah.
I know it's very hard because like each day I'll listen to like 20 different genres or something, you know, and there's just so many genres out there now. So, what about you?
Oh, well, like I've always been hip hop.
Yeah.
Like that's like the one thing I've always, like always had my ear to.
Yeah.
Like hanging around with Mark and that, like it's opened me up to like a bit more hardcore music and stuff like that. But even the hardcore music I like I like the ones where you've got more singing than screamo. Do you know what I mean? Like Pierce the Veil, that kind of stuff.
What do you get into, like Trapped Under Ice? Maybe something like that.
I haven't heard it.
Yeah, put some on.
Okay.
Put on Big Kiss Goodnight. You like that? No, you won't. That's a joke. But it'll be funny to see your reaction. 3, 4! Been put to the test once again, time after time.
You know what kind of reminds me of?
What?
Like old like Tony Hawk.
Yeah.
It's kind of music, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Sorry. Oh, you're right. Just
What's your favorite Tony Hawk soundtrack?
2.
Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2.
Yeah, dude.
Don't be coming to a door, check my style, watch me now.
I liked Underground 2's soundtrack. Yeah, it had like Metallica on it. Who else was on it? I think The Offspring were on it. I could be completely wrong. Hopefully we don't get grilled by your subscribers for not knowing who's on it. I just remember really liking that one. Maybe it's because that's the one that I played the most.
Yeah, like, do you remember this song, bro? The intro song to Pro Skater 2?
Yeah, I do recall this. Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Bit of Rage Against the Machine.
Yeah. Oh, we just arrived in Vicky Point, and what a trip. I actually grew up here in Vicky Point. I probably haven't been around here since I graduated high school in 09. So it's definitely a trip coming back here and seeing everything. But we'll go pick up Mitty and then get back on the road and try and get into some more fun.
Seems pretty developed.
Okay, so me and Joshy made it to Vicky Point. We're here to pick Mitty up. We just got off the phone with Mitty. He said he's in Snap Fitness, decided to get a quick pump on for the day. You'll see, when you see Mitty, you'll see why he does shit like that. Man is huge. So we try and get him out of the gym, get back on the road, and get on with our day. How much was it?
I'm telling you.
Alright, so Mitty's here. We're gonna get a day with Mitty. Look at him. I told ya, big boy, gets pumped.
Where the shirt's too small. What's going on, people? I'm Mitchell Reese. We're just about to go up to the sup shop, talk to Steve, and just do a day with us.
Sounds good. Alright, well let's get it started.
Let's go.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, so what's your training today, Mitty?
Do you guys just want to take over the world?
Yes!
Yeah, well, that's why we need you, bro.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand now.
So what'd you train?
I just did a quick sesh before, you know,
Before
our day. So
before action.
usually I'm always training every day, but
See, I
just
need
a little bit of back.
See, I need that, bro. Like, I have to like bust my ass to get to the gym. I can't just go for the hell of it.
Because you're a busy man.
I wouldn't go that far.
You're busy. I'll just keep busy.
So why? So where's this sub shop at?
It's just around the corner. It's right next to the movies.
Oh yeah, I know where to go. Alright, cool.
Yeah, it's like that sub shop there.
Alright, sweet. So we'll go that way, bro. Get it, mid.
We're gonna use that.
So a bit of backstory, me and Mid actually used to live around here. We used to go to high school together. And because I haven't been here in ages, he's trying to put me off, trying to see if I remember the hood or not.
Just trying to plant the seed, see if he remembers the hood.
Don't remember it at all. But the more we got around, the more it's looking more familiar. Me and Mid used to hang out here all the time.
Yeah,
rocking out Air Force.
Unfortunately.
Made us the men we are today.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we'll get up to the sub shop, get this interview done, and then get back on the road.
Let's do it.
All right.
Alright, so the interview's done. Now I'm gonna go and ollie down this 10 step.
Bro, it's trippy as me back here, right?
It is, eh? It's a trip out, eh? It's a wig on a wig on a wig.
So I can't.
Wigging on a wig on a wig. I'm about that low key like.
Can I do it but in a lower register?
Low register, off topic, sort of maybe slice sort of other lingo, maybe use some encryption.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
So I've started putting an extra 0.5 ml of olive oil into my omelets.
Yeah. Just pulled over the side of the road. so Mitty can give us the download on being low key.
Yeah. Oh, I can't do the smokes, eh? Yeah.
Right.
Ah! Fuck my hand.
Move the hand.
Alright, now we're gonna head down to Raby Bay.
Safety first.
Wait, seatbelt?
Yeah.
Seatbelts?
Yeah, definitely.
You might need two seatbelts.
We are on film, so we must, you know.
So we'll go down Raby Bay. Mitty has a huge lunchbox full of food.
Yep.
That he's gonna shout the boys' lunch out of, and he's gonna go through and talk about what he eats, why he eats it, and just give us a bit of a rundown on his fitness. So we'll go somewhere that's got a bit more pretty of a backdrop, and then get into some lunch.
You only get what you put in, people, so I'm just gonna show you what I eat, and maybe you might learn a few things.
Mid Sessions 101. We made it down to Raby Bay. Found a sweet spot. We're gonna film an interview with Mitty, going through all the stuff that he brings for food to keep his nutrition up. So we'll get into that, and I think he's gonna share a couple meals with us boys. So we're gonna sit down, have a good view, get our grub on. Alright guys, Karen Bay's about to run out, so I'm going to end the vlog there. Thank you so much for following us along, and big ups to the boys. Say thanks boys.
Thank you. Thank you very much everyone, it's time to get some eats.